This video shows text and a computer displaying the Chase for Business website. An illustration of a light bulb appears with the video's title, Helpful Tips, Banking Made Easy. Text appears, Chase Business Online Profile, How to Update Your Personal Details and Marketing Email Preferences. The computer shows the Chase for Business banking website, which displays a dashboard with information and links regarding business checking, merchant services, personalized offers, credit cards, lending, and financing. Text, Sign in to your account. At the top right of the screen, a sign-in box offers fields for users to enter a name and password. A cursor fills in those fields and clicks on a blue button labeled Sign In. An account summary page appears. Text, click on the person icon located on the top right of your screen. The cursor clicks on the person icon, and then a drop-down menu appears, offering buttons marked Sign Out, Profile and Settings, and Español. Text, select Profile and Settings from drop-down. The cursor clicks that button, and then a page labeled Profile and Settings appears. It offers clickable buttons marked Personal Details, Sign In and Security, Account Settings, Alerts, Account Safe, and Payment Preferences. Text, select Personal Details from the sidebar. The cursor clicks that button, and then a drop-down list of personal detail options appears. Text, you can choose to update your address, phone number, email address, marketing email preferences, and preferred language. We'll show you how to update your email address first. Choose Email from the drop-down. The cursor clicks on the button marked Email, and then a page appears displaying the user's email address with a button marked Edit after the address. Text, click Edit. The cursor clicks the Edit button, and then a page appears with a fillable field to enter a new email address. The page displays two buttons marked Cancel and Save. Text, make your edits and click Save. The cursor clicks Save, and then a confirmation page appears. Text, Done! Your email address has been updated. Need to update your phone number or address too? Just repeat the same steps for both. The computer displays the Profile and Settings page again. The cursor passes over the list of personal details to the left of the page. Text, while you are at it, keep in touch by updating your marketing email preferences. Select Marketing Email Preferences to start. The cursor clicks on that button, and then a page appears labeled Marketing Email Preferences. It offers a list of options allowing email notices regarding special offers from Chase, points, perks, and prizes, cool events, and special offers from friends of Chase. A cursor clicks Yes down the list. Text, mark Yes to each category so you don't miss out on product information, special offers, SBA updates, and business events. After setting your preferences, click Save Changes. The cursor clicks on a button marked Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation page appears reading, You saved your changes. Text, Thank you for updating your personal details and marketing email preferences. We've got more videos to show you how at chase.com/howto. Logo, the Chase octagon symbol. Text, Chase for Business, registered trademark. Make more of what's yours, registered trademark. Legal disclosures. Chase, JPMorgan Chase, Chase for Business, the JPMorgan Chase logo, and the octagon symbol are trademarks of JPMorgan Chase Bank N.A. JPMorgan Chase Bank N.A. is a wholly owned subsidiary of JPMorgan Chase & Company. Deposit and credit card products provided by JPMorgan Chase Bank N.A., member FDIC. Copyright 2020, JPMorgan Chase & Company. All rights reserved.